Hi guys, Shashank here from shashankgupta.net. Welcome to Twitter Account Manager tutorials. If you're looking to create hundreds of Twitter accounts within minutes and also update their profile bio and profile pictures, you are at the right place. With Twitter Account Manager, you can create hundreds of Twitter accounts within minutes. If you haven't downloaded this software, you can click on download now to visit Whiteheadbox website. It has dozens of free SEO and SEM softwares. You can also use this Twitter account in your TwitAttacks Pro 3. Let's click on download now and visit the website and download Whiteheadbox app. The link will open in a new window. Now let's move to next section. In Twitter Account Manager tutorial part 1, you will learn how to register and create Twitter accounts, how to do email confirmation of Twitter accounts. We will see overall Twitter account manager settings, in which you will learn how to set proxies, how to set captcha settings, email confirmation settings and debug mode. We will see the number of threads, timeout and account settings. You will also learn how to import and export accounts. Let's move to TAM and understand how to create Twitter accounts. As you can see, this is Twitter Account Manager. You can register your accounts from here by filling your full name, emails and other details. We will come back to this section. Before that, we will go and do the settings. Under settings, you can see the threads, which is 3 here. If you have a large number of proxies, you can increase the thread. Otherwise, I suggest keeping thread as 3. Timeout setting, which is 60 seconds, is good to go. You can set user agents if you wish to. Otherwise, we can leave this section. You need to add proxies here. First, enable proxy. If you have proxies individually, you can put them here. If you have proxies in a file, you can load them from here. As you can see, these proxies got loaded here. Now you can check these proxies and the program will remove if any invalid proxy is there. The process is done. After that, you get two settings: use proxy randomly, use proxy orderly. I would suggest to use your proxy in orderly manner. You can also load your proxy from Whiteheadbox, or if you have a proxy URL, you can use it here. So let's save the settings and close this. Next setting is calling program settings. Use debug mode. If you want to see how this program is performing under a window, you can click this, and every time when this program is trying to create a Twitter account, a window will open and you can see the process. If you do not want to see it, you can click on it and the program will not show you but create the accounts for you. Email confirmation settings. This interval time is 10 seconds. You can keep this as 10 seconds. Captcha setting. If you have death by captcha logins, you can put your username and password. And save this setting. Now as we have completed the settings part, let's create Twitter accounts. Here in full name you can choose random or import randomly. At random, this program will generate full names and it will use it. Import randomly, if you have a list of names, full names, which you want to use as your Twitter account, you can import them. I have a list of names, so I'll click on it and I will select these names. Now you need to import emails so that Twitter account can send the confirmation mails. You can see this import option. You can check your email and password for the separator and use the same separator here and import your email file. I have used colon in my emails between email and password, hence I have used this colon. You can import it. As you can see, all the emails have been imported here. Now select all email and set the POP3 settings for it. These are Yahoo accounts, hence I'll use this setting. If you have Hotmail, AOL, Gmail or other, you can use any of the settings. In other emails, it may happen that the program will not be able to confirm the email, so you'll have to manually do that. Otherwise, for these, you can rely on the software to confirm your emails. Save these settings. Save unused email. Copy import path to the same file. Now, how many Twitter accounts you want to create? I'm using 15 emails, since I'll create 15 accounts. Interval time, you can keep it as 5 seconds. And we can save it to a new category called TAM. Now I will click on begin to register, and this program will start creating Twitter accounts for us. Before I start this program, I will change the setting to thread as 1, and I'll use debug mode so that I can show you how this program is going and creating the Twitter accounts for you. I'll save this setting, and now I will go and start the program. Now as you can see, the program has started creating Twitter account. This window has been loaded in debug mode, and it has started creating Twitter accounts. Now it is filling the full name, then it will fill email, password and username. Once the registration is done, we will see how to confirm these emails. Now it is asking for to enter a phone number, which means the account is successfully created. So you can see under TAM, you get this one account which has got created. So now I'll pause the video while this program creates the account. Once it is done, I'll come back and enable this and continue with the tutorial. As you can see, the program has created 15 Twitter accounts using 15 email IDs. Now we will confirm these Twitter account. So let's click on confirm email. Now the program will do the confirmation. Now it is going to log in to Twitter account, and it will also log in the email account. It will click on the activation link and will show you here that it has activated the account. While it does so, I'll pause the video and will come back once all the accounts have been verified. So as you can see, your account has been confirmed. This is how it will verify all the accounts. I'll pause the video here, and once all the accounts have been confirmed, we will check the other settings. I'm back. As you can see that the confirmation status has changed from no to yes. So all Twitter account has been confirmed and ready to use in your TweetAttack Pro 3. Now we will see how to export these accounts. You can click on export, separate between account and password. You can choose the separator which you want to use, and if you want to use export with proxy, you can select this and give your name 15 Twitter account and save this, export the data. Now if you export it with proxy, remember you can import these account with proxies in TweetAttack Pro 3 as I've shown you in TweetAttack Pro 3 video tutorials. Click on export and finish. Now these accounts are ready to be used in TweetAttack Pro. If you haven't purchased Twitter Account Manager, I'm going to share the link soon so that you can purchase Twitter Account Manager and create Twitter accounts. If you have any comments or question, reply below in comment section. In the next video, we are going to learn how to update profile, how to update avatar and design, how to update password, change email. If you haven't purchased Twitter Account Manager, click on this link. It will take you to Twitter Account Manager sales page. You can purchase this. If you have any questions regarding Twitter Account Manager, leave them in comment. I will be happy to answer you. See you in the next video.